Welcome back. Today, we're analyzing MOG Coin's price prediction, its latest updates, and whether a big move is coming soon. MOG Coin is currently trading at $0.055, with a market cap of around $21 million. Over time, it has shown strong volatility, making it a high-risk, high-reward asset for traders. One of the biggest concerns for MOG is its massive total supply of 390 trillion tokens, which could create long-term selling pressure. However, the growing community and exchange listings have helped increase its visibility in the market. In recent months, MOG Coin has been consolidating within a tight range, which usually signals an upcoming breakout. If we see a surge in buying volume, the next key resistance level is expected around $0.065 to $0.070. A successful breakout could push MOG toward $0.10 or higher, but failure to hold above current levels might lead to another dip toward $0.045. Market sentiment also plays a huge role in MOG's future price action. If the overall crypto market remains bullish, we could see a major rally, but if sentiment weakens, MOG might struggle to gain momentum. So, is this the right time to buy MOG? If you're looking for a short-term trade, watching resistance levels is key. For long-term investors, monitoring token burns, ecosystem updates, and exchange listings will provide insight into MOG's potential. What do you think? Will MOG break out soon, or is it still too risky? Let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update.